Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 6th standard English poem Kindness to Animals, Comprehension and Vocabulary. First heading, complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. First one, if we allow the robin to eat his crumbs and meat, then he will sing. The answer is sing. Second one, if we don't hurt the hare, she will come, sport and play. Third one, if we allow the little lark to fly high, he will sing. C2. When does the robin come to our house? The answer is, the robin will come to our house if we throw the breadcrumbs in the front open space of our house. Second one, when does the hare sport and play? The answer is, if you don't hurt the timid hare, I will come, sport and play. Third one, who flies high, robin or lark? Pick out the suitable line from the poem in support of your answer. The answer is, lark flies high. The little lark goes soaring high to the bright windows of the sky. Fourth one, pick out the words and phrases where the poet asks us to be kind to animals and birds. The answer is, never give pain to things that feel and love. Never hurt the timid hare. Oh, let him sing happy song, nor do these gentle creatures wrong. Next heading, read the poem and find the words that rhyme with. Words and rhyming words. Give, live. Play, day. Sky, high. Spring, wing. Song, wrong. Second one. In many of the lines in this poem, we find that the same sound is repeated. For example, the sound R. In peeping from her green grass lair. Green grass lair is repeated. The answer is, the lines are, never hurt the timid hare. To the bright windows of the sky. Singing as if it were always spring. And fluttering on an untired wing. Nor do these gentle creatures wrong. These are the lines. Third one, work in pairs and find out all the describing words for the following. One has been done for you. Describing word, naming word. Little children. Here, the describing word is little. The naming word is children. Okay? Okay, then gentle, robin. Timid, hare. Green, grass. Little, lark. Bright, window. Untied, wing. Happy, song. Gentle, creatures. Read this poem on a chart and display it on the school notice board. Next, yes to. Sit in groups, ask 2 or 3 interesting questions on each of the following birds and animals. Okay? Here some birds and animals names are given. You have to ask the questions about the parrot, dog, cow. Okay? First one, parrot. First one, how many kinds of parrots are there? Second one, what do parrots eat? B, dog. Why is the dog called as a friend of man? How many dogs are there? These are the 2 questions. About cow, what does the cow give us? Second question is, how many horns does the cow have? Next is, D. Cat. What is the use of a cat? How many cats you have? E. Horse. What are the uses of a horse to a man? What do they eat? F. Lion. First one. What is a lion called? What is a group of lions called? G. Crow. First one. Where are the cows found? How many types of crows you see? Thus the comprehension is completed. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.